Hello everyone and welcome back to Sandy Says. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to close the Graco Ready2GROW 2.0 stroller. Before I do that, I just want to remind you, if you are new, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button down below. I upload videos every week, one on an item your child will need, one on an item your child will want, and a third on an activity your child can do. The first thing you're going to want to do is find the triggers on the right and left side near the cup holder, push them in and pull them straight up towards the handlebar. Next, you're just going to push the handlebar straight down towards the ground. Be sure to grab the front of the stroller so it doesn't fall over onto the ground, and then it will stand up on its own, resting on the handlebar. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are new, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!